We embark on a journey toward life-coherence wisdom, focusing on relevance, emotion, relation, and repair in the service of life. This framework aims to guide institutions, technologies, and societies to prioritize what truly matters. We often misdiagnose our problems, mistaking a lack of information or innovation as the root cause. In reality, we suffer from relevance collapse, losing the ability to discern what truly matters. Misrelevance occurs when attention is misdirected, failing to protect or expand life capacity. Real-world examples include prioritizing GDP over ecological viability and digital engagement over truth. Intelligence optimizes objectives, but wisdom questions if those objectives serve life. Wisdom remains elusive to systems that demand the sacrifice of living beings. Wisdom arises from the interplay of emotion, relation, and relevance. Emotion senses viability, relation opens worlds, and relevance realizes what matters. Wisdom is tested through life value, anti-violence, and discernment tests, ensuring that actions protect life and expose harmful goals. Misrelevance manifests in salience, affective, and metric capture, where attention is hijacked, emotions totalize, and metrics displace value. Misrelevance at power and scale leads to sacred, institutional, and algorithmic capture, sacrificing life for ideology, reputation, or efficiency. Institutions often misname harm, abuse, and exhaustion to protect themselves, requiring de-implementation to restore life capacity. The Life-Coherence Wisdom Compass guides systems to maintain attention, value, and concern, preventing the displacement of burden. The wisdom cycle begins with sensing viability and naming the frame, leading to testing life value and revealing harm. From insight, wisdom moves to repair, learning, and coordination, ensuring life capacity is restored and protected. The ethical core contrasts domination, which imposes order, with repair, which restores life and reduces harm. Wisdom acts by repair, not domination. Relevance repair is applied across domains like clinical care, education, and public health, ensuring systems support life and healing. The portable wisdom test asks critical questions to ensure life capacity is served and harm is addressed, guiding us to what truly matters.